Hello everybody, this is Deepak Desai of 3rd year CSC. Today I'm going to interact with a student of 4th year, Munaza. She got placed in NTT. So let us see how she is feeling about having two offers in hand and her experiences and learning in the process of interviews. Here it goes. You?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, even I am great. Due to this COVID pandemic, like all of us have got a lot of time to be at home. So how are you spending your holidays?
Yeah, we have got a lot of holidays this time, and we've got a lot of spare time for us. And yeah, I'm spending it in a quite productive and creative way by doing some certifications and the things which I like cooking and art and craft. Yeah, it's going pretty well.
So you're getting yourself ready for the company you're getting into.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, like firstly, let me congratulate you for having got placed in two companies.
Yeah, thank you.
Like, how does it feel like by the time you're graduating from the college, you've got, two offers in your hand? Like, what are you feeling about it?
Yeah, I've got two offers. One is in Alkalox and one in NTT Data, and I feel good about it. And yeah, after this pandemic, I'll shortly join NTT Data.
Okay. Can you just tell us, like, when exactly did you start preparing for the companies?
I started personally preparing for the companies from third year, but from our college, we had training from the beginning of first year. As we joined first year, we had some companies which trained us with our soft skills to get us prepared for the interviews. Because in the beginning of the first year, we will actually be very scared, like how are we going to talk, or yeah, we'll be so in the cocoon, right? So we have to come out of our shell. So they trained us pretty good in our soft skills in the first year. And in the second year, we had M-Code training, which they taught us about the coding. And in third year, we had some technical training like quants and aptitude.
So, from all the trainings that the college you have given, so you've got yourself prepared for the interviews.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, can you explain us like how was the recruitment process in the NTT and your experiences when you're going through them?
Yeah, coming to NTT Data, every company like will have a different process of recruitment. So in NTT, we had written test, which was on a separate day. And the next, those people who got selected in NTT were called for the next rounds, like group discussion, technical, and we had MR round, which is managerial round. So these are the process of NTT Data.
Okay. Let me ask you a general question here. Like, people usually say, like, once you clear the first round, the rest of all the rounds are very easy to clear. So, how true is it in your own experience?
In my experience, I don't consider this as a cakewalk because few might do it and few might not do it. So I would suggest that if you get, if you clear your first round, that is your aptitude round, it might be difficult further because if you're overconfident enough, then you are down in your group discussion, because in group discussion they see your attentiveness, they see if you're a good listener, and they see you talk to the topic or no. So we will have different rounds after aptitude, right? So we'll have a group discussion round, we'll have a technical round, and we'll have HR round. So in technical, they will basically see your technical skills. If you're good in your basics, and that is more than enough. And they will not ask you the depth of the subject. They will only check if you are good with your basics. And in the HR, you need to be very confident enough. If you clear both the group discussion and technical, automatically you will have some confidence in you, and you can face the HR round where it will be your personal questions, and so it's over.
So you say every round is equally important, not just the first one.
Yeah.
So what is your take on the programming? Like, do you say it's very easy, or do you say it's something like only if we practice we'll get it?
Yeah, I say if you practice, you will get it, because it might not be easy for a non-CSE background student, or if you have come from a different section of, like for example, if you have taken science in your +2, so this might not be very easy for you. So here they will train you. In the first year, we will have, even if you are non-CSE student, we will have subjects like C, C++. So in the first year itself, you will be taught about the basics and how do you code, and we'll have labs also, no? So we will have a practical session of programming too. And also, apart from academics, we will be trained for coding by the other phase or smart recruitment.
Okay, like let me ask you this: like, what other than the academics you think is important for somebody who's attending for the interviews?
Yeah, academics is also important, as I said, because you should be good with your basic. And apart from academics, I would suggest you need to have a lot of certifications, because certifications play a very important role nowadays because of emerging technologies. And also, you need to be good at your projects. So focus on what you are doing, and you need to be very good in your projects, because whenever there's a question coming up in the technical round in your interview, you need to be prepared and you need to answer it like how did you actually do your projects.
So you say certifications and having adequate knowledge on projects are also important than the academics.
Yeah.
Okay, like everybody will be having an inspiring person in their life. Who is it that in your case?
I'm a very different kind of a person where a little bit of motivation motivates me a lot. And I have a lot of motivators around. And one basic motivation which I get is from my mother, because I've seen her working hard and still not losing hope. So that is the motivation which I take from her. Like, even there are a lot of failures in you, you still should not lose hope, and one fine day you will surely succeed.
So your mother is your motivation.
Yeah.
Okay, like right from the moment you enter to the college as a student, now you're leaving the college as an achiever. So how was your journey in the Geetham for the 4 years?
Yeah, being in Geetham for 4 years was very wonderful, I would say. I've gained a lot of good friends, a lot of good teachers I've seen, and the placement team which I worked with taught us a lot, and they motivated us in every manner they could, and they helped us to achieve the success which we are in today. So I would actually thank them all from the bottom of my heart for making us capable of being somewhere in this world.
So you enjoyed your life at Geetham, correct?
Yeah, it was wonderful. Yeah.
So finally, like, do you have any suggestions for the current third years who are entering the phase of placements?
Yeah, the current third years, I would say that it is a very difficult time for all of us, because we never thought this pandemic could happen, and you might not have time to prepare for yourself, and we do not know when the academics are going to restart, right? So you need to be in the position of preparing yourself, and you need to be teacher for yourself. So suggestion I would tell you guys is, you need to be updated with the future skills. Like, we have a lot of technologies arising, like artificial intelligence, we have Internet of Things, and we have RPA. These three are the most emerging technologies and will rule the companies later. So you need to be very good at them, do as many certifications as you can in them. And it is not that you need to be thorough with all of those. If you have the basic knowledge, and that is more than enough. And also, the companies are hiring students with lot of skills, because recently when I attended a webinar from IIT Bombay, and the recruiter actually showed us the process how they hire students. So based on that experience, I am telling you guys that they will filter you in each and every manner they can. So certifications are really important, and do not think like training are just for fun. We in Geetam, they give us a lot of training. So beginning from the first year to the end of fourth year, we are trained on every aspect. We are trained on soft skills, we are trained on quants, we are trained on logical, everything, and we'll have a lot of mock interviews also in Geetam. So do not take anything leniently, because in fourth year we will think in third year it is really very early. Their training is really early. So this is not the case. Fourth year we will really not have time for all of these training. We'll have companies back to back coming. So do not rely on the fourth year that you will come to fourth year and then learn everything. It is better for you to prepare a hand before.
Yeah. Thank you, Munaza, for sharing all your experiences. So it's really pleasure interviewing you.
Thank you so much.